In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Ads conversion tags to Unbounce. If you're running paid campaigns, reliable conversion tracking is essential. We're going to add your Google Ads global tag in Unbounce using Script Manager so it loads on every landing page and on the confirmation dialog after a form is submitted. Before you start, make sure you have your Google Ads tag code ready to paste. I'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without guesswork. Open a new browser window and search for Unbounce. Head to the official Unbounce website and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, we'll move straight to where scripts are managed, so your tag is applied consistently across pages. From the dashboard, go to Settings. You'll typically find this in the main navigation or under a gear icon. Inside Settings, select Script Manager. This is the centralized place where Unbounce lets you add and control tracking scripts without editing each page individually. Click. Add a script to start a new entry. Using Script Manager keeps your setup clean and avoids missing pages later. In the script setup, choose Custom Script from the drop-down. Give your script a clear name like Google Ads Global Tag. Using a descriptive name helps you recognize the tag quickly if you need to update or troubleshoot it in the future. Next, configure the details. For placement, select Head. Placing the tag in the head ensures it loads early on every page view, which is important for accurate attribution and for any additional conversion code that relies on the global tag. For Included On, choose All. This applies the script to both your landing pages and the confirmation dialog, which is where many conversions are recorded after a successful form submit. Selecting All helps you avoid gaps in tracking. Now, paste your Google Ads tag code into the editor. This is the code provided by Google Ads for your account. Below the editor, select the domain or domains where you want this tag to run. Be sure you pick the correct domains if you manage multiple workspaces. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish Script. Unbounce will push the script live, and it can take a short moment to propagate. That's it. Your Google Ads global tag is now set up through Script Manager. As a tip, avoid duplicating the same tag elsewhere to prevent double counting. Give the changes a few minutes to take effect, and you'll be ready to track conversions reliably across your Unbounce pages.